All right, so we have the data here. A couple things just to note. If you have grams here, like you labeled these, um, you want to remove them. You just want numbers, and we're going to use Google Sheets to graph this. And so if you put grams in these, like a G or an S here, it's going to kind of mess up. So oftentimes what we do is we just put the units above so we don't have to continually put that, put the units because it's understood if it's in the title. Okay, so we're going to highlight this. So we want to basically, we're going to measure the time elapsed versus the mass of each the parent and daughter isotope of the red vines. So I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to open up the Google Sheets, start a new spreadsheet, and then I'm going to paste it in. And then once I have that done, then I'm going to highlight it. And then once you highlight it, you want to insert a chart. And then so once you got a chart, you have this will pop up. So this chart it ends up being a scatter chart. We want it to be a line graph. So I click on this drop-down menu and line graph. The only other thing I'm missing here, you can see the curve, the exponential curve. I'm missing the y-axis. So I need to label the y-axis. So the y-axis, I'm going to go to Customize, and then you'll see it says Chart and Axis Titles. And so we have the chart title, which is perfect. We have the x-axis, which is great and labeled. We need to label our vertical axis or our y-axis. Now, what do these numbers represent? These are the grams, right? So this is the mass in grams. So I'm just going to put mass in grams, and then you can see it shows up. So everything, all our axes are labels. We have a great, you can see we have a legend, and then we have a title, and so that's good to go. And so I just clicked on this. I'm gonna, oh, here we go. We can copy this chart. So I clicked on these three dots, copy chart, and then go back and then just insert my graph, paste. If you want to link it to the spreadsheet, you can. It doesn't matter. What it does is if you change data on that spreadsheet, it'll change it on the chart. If we want to, we could. So cool. And then that's it. All right, hopefully that helps.